This is an advanced method of the removal of an intake valve from a head with a valve tool, when the typical way of removal has failed. The intake valve, either inner stage or final stage, will require a spanner tool for removal. You will use the side of the spanner tool that is required for your particular removal. Take a piece of wood and place it into the vise. Have the vise open wide enough to place the head with the spanner tool in it. Place the spanner tool into the intake valve on the head. Then take a valve socket and place it onto the spanner tool. Now, place the head with the spanner tool and socket into the vise and tighten snugly. Now insert 2 bolts through the head. Take a long screwdriver and lock it between the 2 valves. Take a valve wrench, placing it around the base of the spanner tool and press down. A 90-degree turn down is the maximum that you want to achieve. Once the valve is broken loose, remove your tools and take the valve head out of the vise. Close the vise to its original opening for holding a valve head with 2 bolts. Remember to place a rag over the vise to protect the valve head from scratching. Tighten the vise snugly on the valve head. Take the spanner tool and place it onto the intake valve. Place your wrench around the base of the spanner tool and continue removing it. Now your valve has been safely removed from the head.